Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon coming from MarineMax, Hall Marine, Lake Norman, 704-997-2189. I'm bringing you this 2004 220 Select from Sea Ray. We just took in trade. Has an Alpha I stern drive. It's got 237 freshwater hours on it. It's got a walk-through on the port side. Come in, you've got SmartCraft gauges, and you can see the hours there. Tilt steering, Clarion AM FM CD. Got snap-in carpeting. You got storage on the starboard side, in front of the helm. Plenty of space in the bow. Storage underneath the seats. This boat's equipped with a 350 mag MPI from MerCruiser. Storage to the starboard side of the motor. Again, it's MarineMax, Hall Marine, Lake Norman. Brad Langdon, 704-997-2189. Thank you.